students can come in and work on their assignments and even study together, and as they need help, they ask for it, and we go look over and give them some guidance with those problems.
I think a lot of it's just like with homework, and so you go to class, you spend like 50 minutes in, and you get a lecture, right? You get a brief information on like what you're supposed to do, and then as I do the homework, there's like little questions that you'll get stuck on, and you're like, oh, I'm not sure what step to take. So I think by being there, they'll help me out, and I get to write down notes. So when I go back to study material, I'm able to like get a collective of everything that we're going over.
You know, if you make a mistake on your own and it's hard to pick up, you know, we can look that over and help clarify what they might have missed.
So the first time I went to this math center was last quarter, actually, when I started my math. I was having a lot of trouble doing my math homework. I would just go to the library and really wouldn't seek help. And I would visit my professor, but sometimes she didn't have enough time. So she told me about the math center.
The math center is probably like one of, if not the best resource you can use. Because there's online tutoring, but like being taught in person by another fellow teacher is just indispensable. It's like, it's the best thing you can have.
So I feel like I've benefited a lot from going to the math center. It's really improved my quiz scores and exam scores just by being able to be there and ask questions when you have them and understand at least the topic better.
Math at this point has become more of a muscle memory thing for me. Like, I do it so often, like my body just remembers how to do it as well, alongside just remembering what the teachers taught me.
The nice thing about it is that you don't necessarily have to go in person. Like if you don't live in Yakima, or like you have a life outside of school, right, and you have to go do something else, you could always just go online.
So I only have 2 classes that start 9:30 till 11:20, right? Like back to back. And then even on Mondays, I only have one of those classes. Friday, I don't have any class, but I'm still pulling up to the math center to do all my math homework.